Alright. So again, ako po si Ma'am from Sheila Events Management. Miss Ma'am po, ako gawin ang pangalan September 21 to 22, 2023 episode starring Jillian Ward Maria Villarreal. Miss Ma'am, anak GMA Prime, starring Jasmine Curtis Smith, Raver Cruz, Lizelle Lopez, Joan Pascual, Martin Del Rosario, kasama si Miss Gina Alahar. So aired June 6, 2024. Miss Ma'am, Pipito Manalogo, starring Michael V. Orbitoy, aired May 18, 2024. So Miss Ma'am sa Tabangan sa Netflix na yan, starring Julian Santos sa Goncillo. So Miss Ma'am at Lavender's Field, starring Jody Santa Maria, Julina Magdangal, Jerry Corrales, Janine Gutierrez with Diamond Star Maricel Soriano, and Edu Manzano. Second